Okay, today we're going to do a demonstration on how to make ice cream in a bag, and I call it Edible Science. And your ingredients, you can write it down and stop the video. You need 1 tablespoon of sugar or to taste, half and half, about a half a cup, vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon. And you're going to seal that into a quart-sized bag. Then you're going to need 3 cups of ice and 1 cup of rock salt. Okay. So we also go over thermal energy, the transfer of energy. You're going from a liquid to a solid also. So there's a couple different things you can go through with science with this. Okay, so half a cup of half and half. And if you have allergies to dairy, you can use almond milk instead. Okay? And the quart-size bag is just for the food you're going to eat. The other bag's the rock salt and the ice. So I usually, when I do this with students, I make sure I have it all set up for them so they don't mix up the rock salt. Okay? So then you need about 3 cups of ice. Trying to make this, that's 4 cups. 3 cups. This is something you can do too if you have some kids over for the holiday or you have time. Something for them to do. Release some energy. I usually put a song on, shake, rattle, and roll while they're shaking. They're making their ice cream. You might want to have like a towel or oven mitts. Okay, so now that you put the rock salt and the ice in the gallon bag, make sure they're sealed because this is what you're going to eat. That's what's going to be the ice cream. Right now it's a liquid, and after shaking for about 5 minutes, and I say shake, I mean shake, make sure, we'll have ice cream. So let's see how this works out. I would not recommend doing this in your house. You could also put 7-Up instead of the cream, just so that it freezes, the liquid freezes. Starting to get cold. I'm getting tired. When you're finished too, you could have them see what the temperature is in it. You can do it before you do it and then after. You go over liquid to a solid, and when the ice cream melts again, then it's back to a liquid. You could have them check the ice cream in between, but it's usually about 5 minutes. It's starting to get colder. I might add a little more rock salt so we do this a little faster for the video. Okay, thermal energy. It is transferring the temperature of the ice is being lowered by the rock salt and it's being transferred to the cream, which is making it colder and freezing it. So if you have a lesson on thermal energy, you can go over that. Talk about a thermos, how it keeps the heat in or the cold. Oh my goodness. kids usually like this though. But just make sure you have it set up in stations. If we're ever able to do this. You could do this 6 feet apart too, so I guess you could do this. Just say. And if the kids wanted chocolate, they could add chocolate syrup. Okay, that should be. Let's see. So now it's turned into ice cream. You see. And open the bag up. You can keep going if you want it colder. So now it's turned it into a salad. Okay, completely edible. Thank you.